Dear kids, today there will be a drawing competition between Team A and Team B. Make a lovely, vibrant drawing of a duck. But, dear kids, the rules of competition. Number 1. Select color, pencils and required items in 4 seconds. And the second rule, you will have only 20 seconds to make the drawing. Now, competition begins. Team A versus Team B. Select the required items. Your time starts now. Now, who wins between the two teams? Team A, yeah, Team B. Who is the winner? Yes, the winner is Team A. Big round of applause for Team A. Very good. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.